audio setup is nearing completion, and we're thrilled to announce the final touch, the installation of Kicker speakers, bringing our project to its ultimate stage. Welcome, this is Scott from Say Yes Outdoors. Go ahead and click that subscribe button now. We've opted for the Kicker CS C35 3.5-inch coaxial speakers to enhance the soundbar and front dash, delivering essential highs we desire. To streamline our installation process, we acquired the Metra speaker harness 727902, facilitating a seamless connection from the speakers to the factory setup. Next, we acquired the Kicker 6.75-inch CS C67 speakers along with a specialized Jeep installation kit. This kit includes the Vixen speaker harness, the Metra speaker adapter, and we've also incorporated CC speaker absorb to enhance the low frequency output. To access the speakers housed within the soundbar, begin by removing the grills secured by 3 T15 Torx screws. Once these are removed, the 3.5-inch speakers can be found secured by 2 T15 Torx screws, while the 6.75-inch speakers are held in place by 3 T15 Torx screws. To enhance the low frequency output, we use polyfill. Cut a piece of polyfill to line the interior of the soundbar using the speaker grill as a template. After applying carpet tape and spray adhesive, affix the circular polyfill. A 2-inch strip of polyfill was cut to fill the sides, with the center left open for the magnet and speaker to reduce interference. Attach the speaker adapter using the original Torx screws and mounting holes. Connect the speaker to the factory wiring using the harness adapter, and mount them to the adapter ring using the screws provided with the speakers. Install the 3.5-inch speakers using the new Quick Connect harness and the 2 original factory Torx screws. Now, replace the grills. Using a pry tool, gently remove the front grills from the dash. Then, using a 7mm ratchet, unscrew the speaker held in place by 2 screws. Attach the Quick Connect to the factory harness and securely fasten the new speakers in place using the original factory screws. Finally, reinstall the grill. The final and most challenging step of the installation involves the knee panel speakers. To access the passenger side speaker, begin by removing the glove box. Press in on each side to release and remove the glove box. Next, remove the 2 7mm screws located where the glove box was, as well as the 1 7mm screw under the entire dash. Then, detach the side panel to access the opposite side of the speaker box. Removing the speaker screws may prove difficult without first removing the speaker box. Start by removing the 10mm screw shown here, followed by the 2 7mm screws on the opposite side near the door. Carefully pull out the speaker box. It may require patience as it is a tight fit. Once this is done, proceed to remove the speaker from outside the dash. Utilize the Quick Connect harness to establish a connection with the speaker box. If the speaker ring adapter is slightly oversized on one side of the speaker box, carefully use a razor knife to remove the tabs, enabling the adapter to fit snugly. Attach the speaker adapter using the original factory screws. Fill these boxes with polyfill in the same manner as the soundbar. Next, use the screws provided with the speakers to install them into the speaker box. Reinstall the speaker box and connect the factory harness at the back to the speaker box. The process for the driver's side is comparable. Begin by popping off the panel located under the steering wheel to reveal two 7mm screws along with the one 7mm screw under the entire dash. To remove the speaker box, begin by extracting the 10mm screw indicated. Then proceed to remove the two 7mm screws situated on the opposite side near the door. Once access to the speaker box is achieved, disconnect and follow the same process as utilized on the passenger side. The speaker installation is now complete, proving to be straightforward and relatively simple. Thank you for watching Say Yes Outdoors. If you enjoyed our video, please click the logo here to subscribe.